Workshop challenges interpersonal and intrapersonal skills. One of life's biggest challenges is being honest with ourselves, isn't it? We don't like to admit defeat, we don't like feeling uncomfortable, and we certainly don't like taking risks if it means getting mud on our faces. Workshop tackles these feelings that students often harbor as they approach big challenges like collaborative inquiry. Students are asked to respond to questions that dig deep into their self-perception, like, what are you proud of? And what pushed you out of your comfort zone? They also have to think critically about what they're learning through the process of each mission, whether it's content-based learning, process-based learning, or personal learning. Collectively, students reflect as a whole group too, and when each voice is heard, students learn to develop empathy for the experiences of their peers. They use signs that show, I connect with you, I hear you, or they pose questions to their peers to further understand the perspective being shared. All the while, students practice validating what others are saying and advocate for their own perception of the experience with common language that is explicitly taught and rehearsed in a variety of settings. This vulnerability, both with oneself and with a peer group, can feel daunting. But with supportive tools, practice, and guidance, students can successfully engage in conversations that lead to authentic, rich learning, both independently and collaboratively.